Getting the youngest member of the family out there on the water can put a huge smile on their face. To ensure your baby's safety on the water, it's important to outfit them with the best infant life jacket. A life vest for a child should fit comfortably and encourage face-up flotation. There are many products available to choose infant life jackets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best infant life jackets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stearns Child Classic Series Vest. The Stearns Classic Toddler Life Jacket is secure, protective, and comfortable enough to stand up to tubing, water skiing, boating, and swimming. These qualities are attributable to the open sides and 3 chest belts that ensure a secure fit and superb freedom of movement. Most importantly, the PE foam provides reliable flotation should a child end up in the water. Made of a soft nylon shell, a polyester liner, and PE flotation foam, the Stearns Child Life Vest feels soft and doesn't get in the way of fun and play. On top of this, the open-sided design provides breathable comfort and allows the arms full range of motion. 3 adjustable chest belts guarantee a secure but comfortable fit. These straps also feature robust buckles that toddlers can't open on their own. Additionally, the adjustable crotch strap ensures the vest won't ride up or slip off. Number 2. Full Throttle Infant Baby Safe Vest. The swaddle-like design makes the Full Throttle Child Life Jacket the best infant life vest even for the smallest babies. It's a Type 2 life vest designed to provide extra safety and comfort for infants. The soft nylon shell and lightweight poly-twill flotation foam provide comfort and buoyancy, ensuring your baby will enjoy the water happily and safely. One of the best things about this infant life jacket, Coast Guard approved, is the oversized head support. It provides very good support for the head and neck and excellent cushioning if you encounter a wake. The shell material also feels soft, and the leg strap is elasticized for added comfort. Number 3. Salus Pichu Baby Vest. Flotation Jacket for Infants 9 to 25 pounds. The Salus Pichu Baby's Life Jacket is the best newborn life jacket for the youngest babies weighing 9 to 25 pounds. Unlike bulky life jackets that make babies miserable, this one is non-bulky, breathable, and non-restrictive. In the water, the 3-piece collar with a flotation on the sides ensures the baby floats face up. While this life vest for an infant doesn't come cheap, the level of comfort it provides makes it worth the money. First and foremost, the mesh harness and back ensure the baby won't overheat in the summer heat. Since the front is short, baby can sit and look around without a collar bunching up in their face. Additionally, the design allows free movement of a child's torso, arms, and legs. When it comes to fit, the Salus Pichu has 4 adjustment straps to ensure a secure fit while still maintaining comfort. As for the handle on the back of the head cushion, it'll come handy should you ever need to take your baby out of the water. Number 4. Stearns Puddle Jumper Infant Hydroprene Life Jacket. The Stearns Hydro Puddle Jumper for infants is certified for boating. As such, it's the best infant life vest to go for if you're looking for a safe yet comfortable infant life jacket for boat trips. If your little one ends up in the water, the highly buoyant cross-deck foam and oversized head support will ensure face-up flotation. As a bonus, the pretty pink-purple color scheme is highly visible in the water. The shell of the Stearns Infant Puddle Jumper is made of hydroprene, which is lightweight, super soft, and breathable. Combine this with the flexible design that allows the baby to move around, and you have one of the most comfortable baby life jackets. Number 5. Airhead Infants General Purpose Life Vest. The most prominent feature on the Airhead Type 2 infant life jacket, Coast Guard approved, is the bright and vibrant yellow hue. It makes sure your baby will be easy to spot wherever they are. As for safety, the segmented head pillow supports your baby's head and neck and ensures face-up flotation. Made of soft yet durable polyester, the Airhead is a top-rated infant life vest for its top-notch quality and comfort. This, combined with the top-level safety it offers, makes it a general-purpose kids' life jacket suitable for any activity on the water. The Airhead is well thought out and has all the necessary features. For a secure yet comfortable fit, the crotch and belt straps are adjustable and have easy release buckles for ease of donning and offing. Lastly, this infant vest has a top grab handle for fast retrieval of your child from the water. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.